Hi everyone, it's Mary, and today we'll be making a party favor for graduation. It is graduation season, and I need to make some for my son who's going to be graduating. He's going up from middle school to high school, but still, I want to celebrate his accomplishment. So here is a very cute, very cute and small. It does hold a small candy, and let me just open it up. Small little candy. And then of course I'll also be making a bigger version of this. I call it the mama party favor, and the other one's the baby party favor, or the daddy party favor. But same thing, same mechanism. So it opens up like that, and you can put definitely treats, candy. Great for graduation parties that's coming up for anybody who actually will be graduating college or just high school. My son, like I said, he's graduating middle school, going to high school. That's a big deal for me and for us. He's growing up, and definitely time really does fly. So here's class of 2026, and then you've got the smaller version of it, the baby version of it. Same mechanism, closing. And I use this little ribbon just to tie it off and to make it look like a little bit of a tassel. At least that's what I had in my head. So like that. So we'll be making both of these. So let's get started. This one here is an old Stampin' Up! Die. That there is something similar on Amazon. I'll link that one on my description so you guys can grab a hold of this. This beautiful thing about this one is you can use 6x6 paper without having to use anything bigger, and it does align, so as long as you have 6x6 it will fit. So, but another beautiful part of this one is it's one piece. So you cut it and it's really quick to make. So this one we're going to do something different. We're going to emboss all of those things that I did. I embossed. I heat embossed, so just making sure I'm clearing, making sure that there's no fuzzies. So I'm using VersaFine ink, and for this one I'm just going to use a bunch of little hats. I'm also using a bunch of stamps for this where I've collected throughout the years. I use this hat here from Lawn Fawn. I use this hat here, here, and here, and then some of the words. This one I use these little hats here. Sorry if you can't see it. And then this one here I use the stars. Okay. so now let's do the bigger one. This guy next, right? So this one, the die that I use is this here. It is an old Stampin' Up! Stamp die as well, but they do sell this on Amazon. Very similar. I'll put a link to that one if you guys are interested. And so you'll need 2 pieces here, and we're going to do the same thing. Alright guys, so that is my project for this week. It's really quick, these two, but I think they're adorable. Perfect for a quick party favor or something to put during graduation celebration or party. You could just put a little bit of extra and put it on the table. I think this is really cute because it's so tiny. This one is nice too because you can make it bigger and make it more personable. But whatever stamp you have, definitely use. graduation hats, you can buy them anywhere. Stamp sets, you can buy them anywhere, or you can even use patterned paper for it. I know probably Michael's has a bunch of them ready to cut up, and just get the die and put it together, and you saw how quickly that was to put together. Alright guys, thank you again. The dies do look like this again if you happen to look. There's this one where you have to cut 2 pieces, and then there's this one where it's all 1 piece. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good week, and hopefully you guys have a good Mother's Day. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye guys.